dreamed daily about riding her beautiful red bicycle across the happy park peacefully. She tried again carefully, but the bicycle shook wildly beneath her tiny frightened feet. Mia fell softly onto grass while nearby children laughed loudly, hurting her little heart deeply. Sad and embarrassed, Mia quietly sat alone beside her bicycle under dark, cloudy skies. Suddenly, a tiny fluffy puppy appeared beside Mia, staring lovingly into her teary eyes. The sweet puppy stayed close quietly, making Mia smile gently for the first time today. With new courage inside, Mia stood again while the puppy barked excitedly beside her bicycle. Mia slowly pedaled forward, nervously, while the tiny puppy happily ran beside her supportively. Her hands trembled carefully, but the puppy's cheerful energy gave Mia growing confidence inside. Mia almost fell again, suddenly, but the puppy jumped excitedly, encouraging her to continue bravely. Then, magically, Mia balanced perfectly and rode her bicycle successfully for the very first time. The same children who laughed earlier now clapped proudly while Mia rode past smiling brightly. Mia hugged the tiny puppy tightly, mixing beautifully with her joy, grateful smile warmly. From that wonderful day onward, Mia and her tiny puppy became forever best friends.